Have you ever noticed that most pills are round? Not square, not triangular, not any random shape, but almost always small, smooth, and circular. It feels so normal that we never question it. But what if I told you this tiny detail is actually the result of science, engineering, history, and even how your body works? Welcome to Things Everyone Should Know. Think about this for a second. If pills can be made in any shape, why do companies keep choosing round? Is it just tradition, or is there a deeper reason that affects your safety and health? By the end of this video, you'll never look at a pill the same way again. Let's start with the most important factor, your body. Your throat is designed to swallow food, not sharp or rigid objects. When you swallow something, your muscles push it down in a smooth motion. A round pill works perfectly with this natural movement. It has no edges, no corners, nothing that can scratch or get stuck. Now imagine swallowing a cube-shaped pill. Even if it's small, those edges could create friction, making it uncomfortable or even dangerous. That's why scientists design pills with smooth, rounded edges to match how your body naturally functions. In fact, this is also why many larger tablets are oval instead of perfectly round, because elongated shapes can be even easier to swallow. Now let's step inside a pharmaceutical factory. Pills are made using machines that compress powdered medicine into solid form using high pressure. Here's where shape becomes very important. Round molds are easier to design, easier to maintain, more efficient under pressure. When pressure is applied in a circular mold, it spreads evenly across the entire pill. This ensures equal distribution of medicine, consistent size and weight, strong structure. If the shape were complex, like a star or triangle, pressure would not spread evenly. This could create weak spots, cracks, or uneven dosage. So round pills are not just simple, they are scientifically reliable. Pills go through a lot before reaching you. They are packaged in bulk, transported across long distances, stored in different conditions. During all this, they can experience pressure, vibration, and impact. Shapes with corners are more likely to break. Corners act as weak points where cracks can start. But a circle has no corners. It distributes force evenly across its surface. This makes round pills stronger, less likely to chip, more stable over time. This is especially important because a broken pill might not give the correct dosage. Here's something you might already know. Most medicine tastes very bitter. To solve this, manufacturers add a thin coating around the pill. This coating helps mask the taste, make swallowing easier, protect the medicine inside. Now imagine coating a pill with an irregular shape. Some areas might get too much coating, others too little. But a round pill allows the coating to spread evenly. This ensures consistent taste masking, smooth surface, better overall experience. So even something as simple as taste is connected to the shape. The story doesn't end when you swallow the pill. Inside your body, the pill begins to dissolve. This process is carefully designed. Some pills need to work quickly, while others release medicine slowly over time. A round shape helps control this process. Because of its uniform structure, it dissolves evenly, releases medicine at a steady rate, works more predictably. If a pill dissolved unevenly, it could release too much medicine at once or not enough at all. Both situations can be harmful. So yes, even the shape of a pill plays a role in how effectively it treats you. Let's go back in time. Before modern pills, people used herbs, powders, natural mixtures. In ancient civilizations, medicine was often rolled into small balls by hand using honey or plant extracts. These early pills were not perfectly shaped. They were rough and inconsistent. As medical science advanced, people started looking for better ways to deliver medicine. With the invention of machines, it became possible to produce pills in large quantities, and naturally, the simplest and most efficient shape was round.
Over time, this became the global standard. But not all pills are round. You may have seen capsules, oval tablets, unique branded shapes. These exist for specific reasons. Capsules, for example, are often easier to swallow, can hold liquid or powder inside, dissolve quickly in the stomach. Oval pills are used for larger doses, slide down the throat more easily. Some companies even create unique shapes or colors to help people identify their medicine. So while round is the most common, other shapes are used when needed. There's also a psychological factor. People are used to seeing round pills. It feels familiar and safe. If medicine suddenly came in strange shapes, people might hesitate to take it. So the round shape also builds trust and recognition. It's a design that people accept without question. So why are most pills round? Because they are easy to swallow, simple to manufacture, strong and durable, perfect for coating, ideal for controlled dissolving, and trusted by people everywhere. A tiny circle backed by powerful science. Next time you take a pill, remember, even the smallest things have a story worth knowing. Comment below, did you know this before? And what simple everyday topic should we explore next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel because there are a lot of things in this world which everyone should know.